Have you ever taken Tadalafil but felt like it didn't really work? Maybe you waited, you followed the instructions, but the results weren't what you expected. You're not alone. Many men quietly experience this, and they often blame themselves or think something's wrong with their body. But here's the truth. It's rarely about your body. Most of the time, it's about how you use the medication. Tadalafil, also known as Cialis, can be life-changing when it's used correctly. It helps increase blood flow, improves confidence, and restores that sense of connection you might have been missing. But if it's taken at the wrong time, with the wrong habits, or under the wrong conditions, its power drops dramatically. The good news? You can fix that. With just a few small changes, backed by real science, you can make Tadalafil work at its best. More consistent results, more natural responses, more confidence in your body again. In this video, I'll walk you through 5 doctor-proven ways to maximize the effect of Tadalafil. We'll talk about timing, food, lifestyle, and the one factor most men completely overlook. So if you've ever wondered why Tadalafil doesn't always work the same way, stay with me. By the end, you'll know exactly how to make it truly effective every single time. Let's start with something honest. Erectile health is more than just blood flow. It's confidence. It's emotional connection. It's feeling like yourself again. And when that starts to change, even slightly, it can affect every part of your life. You might notice small things first. You feel tired more often. Stress lingers longer. You're distracted or anxious. And when the moment comes, your body just doesn't respond the way it used to. That's when many men turn to Tadalafil. It's a reliable, clinically proven medication that helps relax the blood vessels and improve circulation where it matters most. But here's the catch. It doesn't work like magic. Tadalafil supports your body. It doesn't replace it. And when your body isn't ready, because of stress, poor sleep, heavy meals, or alcohol, the effect can be weaker. Have you ever taken it and felt no difference? Or maybe it worked once, but not the next time? That inconsistency often leads men to lose confidence, or worse, increase the dose without medical advice. Here's what most people don't realize. Tadalafil's effectiveness depends on how you prepare your body and mind. It's not just about taking a pill. It's about creating the right conditions for it to do its job. Think of it like watering a plant. If the soil is dry and the sun's too hot, no matter how much water you add, it won't grow well. Your body works the same way. When you understand what helps Tadalafil absorb, activate, and sustain its effect, you take back control. You stop guessing, you stop worrying, and you start feeling that quiet confidence again. The one that comes from knowing your body works with you, not against you. Now, let's talk about exactly how to do that. Here are 5 medically proven ways to make Tadalafil truly effective, safely and naturally. Let's go through the 5 proven ways to make Tadalafil work better, based on science, clinical experience, and real-world results. Each step is simple, but when combined, they can completely change how your body responds. One time it right. Give it a head start. Tadalafil takes time to reach its full effect. On average, it starts working in about 30 to 60 minutes, but the peak effect may take up to 2 hours. That means if you plan to take it and expect results immediately, you might be missing the right window. Here's what I tell my patients. Take it at least an hour before intimacy. Even better, do it when you're relaxed, not rushing or stressed. Remember, sexual stimulation is still necessary. Tadalafil doesn't create desire. It supports your body's response to desire. Think of it as helping the signals travel more smoothly once they start. A calm, confident mindset and good timing are a powerful combination. So, don't wait until the last moment. Give it time to settle in and circulate. 2, be smart with food and alcohol. Many people don't realize how much diet affects medication performance. Tadalafil can be taken with or without food, but large, heavy, or fatty meals can slow its absorption. So, if you just had a rich dinner or a few drinks, your body will be busy digesting, not absorbing. Alcohol, especially in excess, also lowers blood pressure and blunts responsiveness. The ideal setup? A light meal, a glass of water, and moderate or no alcohol. Hydration is key because proper blood volume helps the medication do its job efficiently. You don't have to be perfect, just be mindful. If you notice weaker results after a big meal or a night of drinks, now you know why. 3, manage stress. Your brain plays a bigger role than you think. Many men think Tadalafil only works below the waist, but its real effectiveness starts in the brain. Stress, anxiety, or performance pressure can block the very pathways that Tadalafil tries to open. When your mind is tense, your blood vessels constrict. That means less flow, less response, and more frustration, even when the medication is active. Simple relaxation can change everything. Deep breathing, a calm conversation, physical closeness before intimacy. If you're constantly stressed or anxious, your body can override the benefits of Tadalafil. So, part of using it right is also giving yourself permission to slow down. Some men find that exercising earlier in the day, meditating for 5 minutes, or doing a relaxing hobby before intimacy helps more than they expected. Your brain sets the tone. When it's calm, your body follows. 4. Build consistency. Daily or regular use works differently. Tadalafil comes in 2 forms, as needed and daily low dose. The as needed dose is what most people know. You take it when you plan for intimacy. But the daily version offers a steady level of the medication in your bloodstream. If you're in a long-term relationship or prefer not to plan ahead, daily use can help you feel more natural and spontaneous. It also supports long-term vascular health when prescribed properly. Some studies show that men who take it daily experience improved endothelial function, meaning their blood vessels respond better over time. If you notice inconsistency with on-demand use, ask your doctor whether a daily dose might suit your lifestyle better. It's not about taking more, it's about maintaining balance. Regular use also takes away the mental pressure of timing everything perfectly, and that mental ease alone can improve your results. 5. Support the effect with a healthy lifestyle. No medication can replace good habits. Tadalafil works best when your overall health supports good blood flow and hormone balance. That means regular exercise, especially cardiovascular workouts like brisk walking, swimming, or cycling. These improve circulation and strengthen the very system that Tadalafil helps. Sleep is another hidden factor. Poor rest affects testosterone, mood, and vascular health. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep. It's not just about rest, it's about recovery. And don't underestimate diet. More fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and omega-3 rich foods all support nitric oxide production, a key player in healthy blood flow. Smoking, on the other hand, does the opposite. It damages the lining of your blood vessels, making any medication less effective. If you smoke, cutting down or quitting will multiply your results far beyond what any pill can do. Finally, emotional connection matters. When intimacy feels warm, not pressured, your body naturally cooperates. Confidence, affection, and trust amplify the physical response. Bonus tip: always follow up with your doctor. If Tadalafil isn't working consistently, don't just double the dose. It could be a sign of another issue: low testosterone, high stress, or underlying heart or vascular problems. Your doctor can check these safely and adjust your plan. Sometimes a small dose change or different timing makes a big difference. Medication works best when it's guided, not guessed. So remember, take it at the right time. Watch your food and alcohol. Calm your mind. Stay consistent. Support it with healthy habits. Tadalafil is a tool, but you are the system it works within. When both are in sync, the results speak for themselves, naturally, confidently, and without force. Let's take a moment to bring everything together. Tadalafil can be a powerful ally, but only when you understand how to help it work with your body. It's not just a pill for performance. It's a bridge between your physical health, your emotions, and your confidence. Think back to what we covered. Timing matters. When you give the medication enough time to work, you allow your body to respond naturally. No rushing, no last-minute stress, just patience and trust in the process. Then your habits, the food you eat, the alcohol you drink, the sleep you get, all shape how well Tadalafil performs. A light meal and hydration prepare your system. Heavy, fatty foods or too much alcohol hold it back. We also talked about stress. Even the best medication can't overcome tension or anxiety. When your mind is calm, your body opens up. Sometimes that means slowing down, connecting emotionally, or simply breathing before the moment. Consistency matters too. Some men find the daily version gives them more freedom, fewer worries about timing, more natural confidence. Others prefer the as-needed approach, which works best with good planning. Either way, it's about understanding your body's rhythm. And of course, lifestyle. Exercise, nutrition, sleep, and quitting smoking all play a major role. These are not just add-ons. They are the foundation for every system that supports Tadalafil's effect. When you take care of your blood vessels, your heart, and your hormones, the medication simply enhances what your body already knows how to do. Always remember, you're not broken. If things haven't worked as expected, it doesn't mean you've failed. It just means your body needs a bit more support. And now you know how to give it that. Tadalafil is most effective when used with awareness, not just expectation. So listen to your body. Adjust gently. Stay patient. Over time, you'll notice the difference, not just in performance, but in energy, mood, and confidence too. Because this isn't only about the moment, it's about restoring the health and vitality that make you feel alive every single day. If there's one thing I want you to take away from this, it's that your body wants to work with you. Medications like Tadalafil are tools, not miracles. When you support them with timing, balance, and healthy habits, they become far more powerful and far more natural. So, start small. Adjust one thing at a time, maybe your meal timing, your stress level, or your sleep. Notice the difference. Your body will tell you when you're on the right track. And if you ever feel unsure, don't hesitate to talk to your doctor. There's no shame in asking for help, only strength in taking control of your health. If you found this video helpful, subscribe for more doctor-led insights on men's health, energy, and confidence. Every week, we talk about real science in a way that makes sense and fits into your life. I'm Dr. Rosalia Viterbo, and I truly appreciate you spending this time with me. Remember, your health is not just physical. It's emotional, it's personal, and it's worth caring for. Take care of your body, take care of your confidence, and I'll see you in the next video.